And they're all big games at this level, but this is bigger than most.
Both managers have picked strong lineups today, no real surprises. The home team has gone with this lineup. And this is the selection for the away side.
Superb challenge. Nifty bit of footwork.
What a well-timed tackle. Oh, he did really well there. Lovely passing here.
Shoot! Well, no doubt in my mind that player would finish comfortably.
That goal's been coming, and there are surely more goals to come in this match. What a well-timed tackle. And he's back in possession.
Oh, and that's given away. And that's it for now, half-time. Here we go then, for the second half, another 45 minutes to enjoy. Superb challenge.
And he's back in possession.
The keeper collects that one. Lovely bit of skill there. And he's stayed up, laid into the box. Tries it. What a finish! It's 2-0 now.
Well cut out. What a well-timed tackle.
No cards yet from the referee. Well, you have to say there's not much chance of a comeback here now.
He read that one absolutely perfectly.
Superb challenge.
Oh, and dispossessed there.
Oh, great tackle. Referee calls play back for an earlier foul, and the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time.
Well, that's a bit ambitious. His teammates won't be happy with that.
Easy decision here. It's a goal kick. The referee